None of you taught or were working
No.
through the last 2 years, right?
I did.
I did.
You have been a little,
Well,
yeah.
I was called in to I did some Zoom teaching.
Oh, joy.
Just to get this, because I had retired, but they needed somebody to start the tech lab. So for the year, I said, okay, well, I'll do 2 weeks. So I did 2 weeks the first year,
Mm-hmm.
and then that was with, getting mixed up.
March.
That
March of
was-
2020 would have been.
Yeah, wait, it wasn't until when school started, so it was in
September.
August, September.
Right, 2020.
So that was for, that was the year that Solana Vista was getting remodeled.
Right.
So they were at Solana Highlands, so
Right.
I had a little desk there where I
Mhm.
saw the kids virtually, both those schools, Solana Highlands and Solana Vista. Just got them started. And then they were still on Zoom, and one of the teachers at Skyline, the tech teacher, was having a baby. So I did 2 weeks at Skyline in December. So I had 2 Zoom teaching experiences.
So you were physically located at the school,
Yes.
but
Yeah,
doing virtual
exactly.
substitute
Yeah.
teaching essentially.
Yeah. The one at Skyline, though, I was actually at home.
Mm-hmm.
It was really crazy. And then I subbed a little bit once they started the hybrid thing where they had half the class there and half the class
Mhm.
not. And that was, that was workable.
Mhm.
They had the playgrounds all separate where this class would play in this part of the playground while this class was assigned here. And now they finally evolved to the whole school is there, and masks came off, I think it was April, right after spring break. And I went back to sub the day after spring break. I was subbing in the media center one day, and I get a call from the principal at Solana Highlands the next day. Oh, you were exposed to COVID. Everybody had their masks off, most everybody.
Yeah.
And so it's really interesting now to see
Yeah.
how everyone was masked up and how they're not now. But some are still choosing.
Right. Do you feel like the kids really missed out a lot on that?
Oh gosh, yes. And you can really feel it with the first grade class of this year that didn't really have a real kindergarten last year. Oh my gosh, can you tell?